Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by collecting precise address details and defining what service you need. Open a browser and enable location services so provider tools map results accurately. Once done, use a provider finder or national registry and enter your address. This shows which companies list service at your location. Make sure to include apartment or unit info, since that affects availability. Doing this first avoids wasted calls and lets you compare realistic options quickly. So you now compare shortlisted providers side by side. Focus on real-world speeds and any data caps because advertised numbers can differ from what you get. Use plan comparison tables and open provider terms to spot installation fees, modem rental, and contract length. These change total cost. Once you've weighed price versus reliability, call or chat with providers to confirm address-level availability and ask about local outages or maintenance. Make sure to note promotional end dates so your monthly bill doesn't jump unexpectedly. You finish by scheduling installation or activating a self-setup kit and confirming the start date. Once installed, run speed tests in different rooms and during peak hours to verify performance matches the plan. Document results for support. If speeds are poor, power cycle the modem and router, check cable connections and splitters, then retest. If problems persist, contact provider support with your test logs and ask for a technician visit. This sequence closes the loop and gets you the service you expected.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.